Okay, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, and let's go. So, okay, good evening, early morning to all of you people in Russia. Well, I hope you have a beautiful day. I'm going to talk about a product that I already unboxed. Or no, it was unboxed by the phone provider from distributor from Telcel, Mexico, who provided me a tablet that was from Sky. This Sky tablet was provided by, let me give you an example. This used to be the stand-up wireless, provider, and I investigated through the Moto G stylus. I did, replace the Motorola Moto E14. I'm using my father's smartphone from Motorola Moto E14. It's a European phone that I'm using. And when I was talking about this product, I never knew that the product was absolutely in a good condition. For me, these products are very good. So remember, the phone carrier provider was stand-up wireless back in the day. And if you take a look at closer, the product was available back in the United States of America. And I did install a Oxocell, phone service, chip. I installed a chip from Oxocell. And here's the original Sky devices adapter. I did also remove its plug charger away from its original adapter. And here is the Sky Devices Elite Octamax. This product was absolutely controlled by stand-up wireless from the United States program ACP. And if you didn't notice before, did you know that American people used to have this Wi-Fi service back in the day? Well, all of you people from Russia, Ekaterinburg from Oblast, Ekaterinburg from Russia, St. Petersburg, get to know this tablet. And this tablet has instruction manuals. It's in English, but also in Spanish. You can take a look all the closer things that you have. And if you you can have to read the pamphlet manual. And here is an instruction manual that says design in the United States of America. So this product is a United States Federal Communications Commission affordability program. So I knew that this, product was controlled by stand-up wireless provider. And let me give you that information there. When the phone carrier was available, the phone carrier, locked the phone, the tablet. Did you know that the tablet was absolutely available through that phone carrier? The phone carrier was available in United States of America. This is not a Mexican official norm tablet from ONN, from Walmart, Bodega Herrera, Mexico. No, sir. And no, ma'am. So this product was absolutely available. So you have to listen to this.
How stand-up wireless participated in the ACP. Device subsidies, as a participating provider in the ACP and Lifeline, offered a one-time device subsidy to eligible households, allowing them to get tablets like the Octamax for a low price, such as $10.01.
That's right. It was $10.01.
Subsidized monthly internet and phone service with the ACP discount, which provided unlimited talk, text, and a certain amount of data. The end of the program and benefits. Funding exhaustion. The Federal Affordable Connectivity Program was designed to be a long-term program but ran out of funding, with the last fully funded month in May 2024. Program closure. As a result, the ACP no longer accepts new applications or provides discounts, and households no longer receive benefits under the program. Loss of benefits. Consumers who were enrolled in the ACP, including those who received devices, saw their benefits end with the program's closure.
So here's my proof of the program that existed.
How Stand-Up Wireless participated in the ACP. Device subsidies, as a participating provider in the ACP and Lifeline.
So there you have it. So this tablet used to belong to Stand-Up Wireless in the United States. It was a United States Stand-Up Wireless, tablet. But it's still speaking English the same as my Moto G stylus, because let me give you an example. Moto G stylus and Sky Devices tablet are from Federal Communications Commission certified. They do have certification on these products. And how to compare it, I already have one from Sky Devices that used to be the former Stand-Up Wireless, phone carrier. I also have the Motorola Moto G stylus. That is factory unlocked. I can't use that Stand-Up Wireless SIM card because if you activate it in the United States, you can get yourself phone calls by calling 911 in the United States, or like Dallas 911, or like New York City 911, whatever, Bell County 911. You can't have another SIM card from the phone carrier. Let me give you the explanation here. The SIM card is in this bag. I'm afraid it's lost. I'm afraid I lost it, Well, anyway, it used to be a SIM card installed in that product certification here. And I can't lie to you because, here it is. So here is the SIM card that was provided by, Stand-Up Wireless. So this is the original SIM card. And if you take a look at closer, this used to be the tablet that had this SIM card. And did you know that the tablet was absolutely controlled by the United States government? Did you know that the tablet was also part of the U.S. government Federal Communications Affordability ACP program? While I'm talking about, it is about a product that was designed in the United States, controlled by ACP Stand-Up Wireless. I don't know, some of you American people, such as United States Bowling Congress player Kayla Marie Johnson, I would like you to help me out if you know anything about this Sky Devices from Stand-Up Wireless. I know many of you Americans that you know that the government was offering these beneficial stuff. Let me close this box for you. And I never knew this before. And if you do have YouTube, I will absolutely apply to you so that you can take a look at how this stand-up program, a stand-up wireless tablet is to be. And it used to include a SIM card, but it was provided by stand-up wireless. How do you know, and how do I know this? Because it was one tablet, but it did not include a SIM card, but it was provided by stand-up wireless. So this tablet, it does have a certification on it because you do see the Federal Communications Commission certification. Now let's take a look at the features. Let's go to configurations. First of all, let's take a look at how the tablet works. It has Wi-Fi for internet. And it does also has accessible things about the security and safety of the tablet. We don't want no safety and security stuff. I'm going to restart this tablet. And I'm ready to provide you the reality of how it works. When I restart this program of this tablet and I restart its system, it says Sky Devices. And here's why it used to be part of stand-up wireless. How do we know about this tablet? How the Moto G stylus is also part of it? Well, the idea it is, the tablet, it is the same one that is applied. And there you have it all the time. So, anyway, enjoy the video. And one more thing. The last thing is that I did install a SIM card from Telcel. I did not want Telcel, the distributor, to apply me a Telcel SIM card because I did purchase one from Telcel to test it on this tablet. I'm going to have to keep this in the box of the tablet. That the tablet was activated with a Telcel SIM card, and I don't have the stand-up wireless SIM card applied to it. I'm going to have to apply to the Xiaomi 12C smartphone, and I will have to test it. So anyway, God bless you and enjoy the video. Goodbye. And make sure to make some good comments for the love of God and Jesus Christ. Do you like this tablet or not? Because this is an American Federal Communications Commission certified tablet. And I guarantee it did cost me the life to purchase it. If I never buy that tablet, it could be impossible for me to give myself some benefits. I'm going to see if this tablet can work with AT&T from the United States. Well, goodbye and God bless you.